What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I'm back again. As you can know, guys, I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and I try by all means to give you the market insights and also the niche that revolves around Forex trading. So please, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. And also, guys, please, if you like to use the broker that I'm using, the link is below for the broker, and also the link is below in the description. Connect with me on various social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook and so forth. Don't forget to watch the video till the end. Let's go. What I'm gonna be looking at, guys, is the pairs that I've analyzed over the weekend, and also I'll be sharing a market insight of what to expect next, the forecast that I'm predicting, and also I have trades that are running. So firstly, let's start with USDJPY. We're gonna be doing the three major pairs, which is the USDJPY, GBP, USD, and EURUSD. So let's start with USDJPY. Okay, as you know, we always want to see we have trades running. Trades. Just go back. Let me sell here. Excuse me. And put the sell here, and then still my TP will be here. My first TP was here. So just want to show you guys how I managed to capitalize on this one, because as you can see, this was a correction. What I'm expecting. Okay, now let's start get inside and the forecast into the future and see what we anticipating to happen, the prediction of the market. You can see on daily, this was the one that eventually gave me are now in a downtrend, because you can see the market broke this, and as you can see, the market also is below. So let me use line. The market is also below this price, so you can see, because in most instances you will have a situation where it breaks and then it goes back something, but you can see here we are having a situation whereby the market is still below. It's even retesting, which is something that commonly happens. My next target should be here. Okay, but this is the target on daily, so I'm gonna be doing this in my channel. Also, guys, make sure that whenever you're doing this channel, you don't overdo it. You don't, as I've tried to explain, yes, had to draw many supports and resistance levels, but I prefer having clean charts so that I can be able to understand what is happening. So with this one, I can see we're already broken here. So I will take my point of interaction as this one. Jackson candle. Since you're broken here, you can decide to keep it, or most instances I like filling up the little bit here so that I can be able to get the division. But if it's not disturbing platform, so you can see, but the market has already moved. So but it will be quite interesting to see how I managed to catch this one. Also, you can be able to catch it next time. As you know, the market, what we do, we say impulse correction, impulse, understand? So with this one, it's the same thing. You can see we are having an impulse, then correction, so subsequent to that, push this level, expect the market to come to here. So see here, it gave us a double top. So for me to understand that I'm having a double top, I'm having this break confirming that the market is broken from this, and then the market is now showing us it's into the downside, and we've been falling. You can see here we have another impact. So now this was a correction, so I can see we have this formation. This. So with this being said, I managed to catch this one. I'm taking it all the way down. As you can see, our risk reward ratio is very, very, very great. Risk reward is 4%. What I'm expecting to happen is this. I'm expecting a bit of a correction to the downside. But what's gonna assist me in seeing where the market will. So it's possible for the market to come back, but back and retest this before we push further to the downside. But if we don't reach this point, you have to see how the market then that simply means you're gonna help. Okay, that's it on USDJPY. We are bearish on USDJPY. Then now let's go to the next one. This one I didn't analyze it. As you can see, what happened here, I expected the market to correct to this point, but you can see the impulse because of the CPI. This was the CPI. Yeah. But fortunately, I was not into this trade because I expected the market to correct and then push. So it does. Now let's look at what's about to happen next. Market prediction. Always make sure you plan your trades and trade your plan so that you don't make mistakes or just rushing into any type of setups. So we have a break, so the pound is stronger, pushing to the upside. Then they simply say so you can see in this channel that we broke out of this channel, and also it's expecting to reach this point, but before reaching up there to reach this top, and then At the bottom here, I'm being supported by this point here. So by deeper, this may look easy, but it's not easy. It becomes better with time. So learn to practice. Doesn't mean you must trade every day, but you can analyze every day. Practice makes perfect. Even myself, I was not born a trader. I put the skill into practice. So there is a light at the end of the channel. You must remember that you didn't start this stupid, and eventually gonna conquer if you keep on pushing. So what I'm looking at now, I can see we are having this upward movement, which is showing us that it in an uptrend, and then this one break, a little bit of a retest before to the upside. Understand? So not all trades will be book trades, but you can see that we are having this type of formation here. In this one, basically this is what I'll expect to happen. And this one, I used it as a management line, so you see it's an uptrend. But what you can do also, if you remove it, you will eventually see what is currently happening. And subject to that, you can take already showing signs of pushing to the upside. You can take this, just to see where the market goes, because you can vision how we have this, but also take into account that you don't control the market. There's a situation where you have the market doing this. You'll look at it as a break and then think that you're gonna sell, and we look at how the market gets there. So this can happen. Feel about this. So say wait for possible rejection around this area. Possible rejection around this area before you can place our buys on GBPUSD. Now let's see with our secret tool where what I mentioned. So I'll say as you can see, if you stretch it, you can see all the way what really happens. So in most cases, that's before here. So that's what I'm expecting. Okay, what's next? We did USDJPY, we did GBPUSD. The next one is EURUSD. Make sure, guys, you're not only looking, you are taking notes, and also make sure you take this trade, especially of practice. This one we already have running in profits. How much we are running currently? Yeah, at 81 pips. See, 30 pips. So you can see the risk reward ratio, guys. If a trade is 1:1, I don't take it. I take a trade that is 1:2 or more. So let me just show you guys. You see how clean this chart is. Let me show you the quickest way of having this type of setup. One of our strategies, as you know, you need to understand, identify your highs and your lows, and also make sure you understand the zones and the resistance levels. Also, not leaving out the support ones. Let's see where the market turned. You see this. Then you see this. I'm not gonna drop. So you can see, you can take this. Okay, so do you see what happened here? Mistake. But how would you be able to get this one? Because most people would think that, okay, this is a resistance, then they will fail. But let me show you how we managed to get hold of this one and managed to catch it as a slight entry. Okay. As I've mentioned, how the market gets there. That's one of the most important things. So look, we are having impulse, right? So this is a correction. Then what do we expect next? Impulse. So always remember that after an impulse, there's a correction. So you can see this one is not common like the impulse that is trade, you understand? But it's also a correction. See this correction here. So find out how to identify this type of corrections. You need to know the nature of the market and see where you are. You understand? So obviously this gave us a reverse head and shoulders. As you can see, it is a reverse head and shoulders. It was not easy to spot it, but we know. So, okay. So now I'm gonna go back daily, remove everything, then I'll be showing you guys just how we managed to capitalize on this one. This we have, you can see the break, and now we can see that we are in an uptrend. Then so you can see, I can see we are having an impulse, and I know after an excessive impulse we should be having what? Correction. Or we had something similar to this. Okay, so this impulse, then this correcting. So this just the method how we manage analyze on this one. So secret tool is that if they break here, they shouldn't cut. So this is what I wanted to see happen, but once it broke here, I entered here because I could see that they're not coming to this point here. Then first point detection. So guys, we capitalize on the next coming moves. So now we are having this. What's next? Okay. Let me show you. I'm expecting this. Yeah, I'm expecting this type of on EURUSD, USDJPY, and I am EURUSD bullish, USDJPY bearish, GBPUSD sure you click the right one. I'm bullish, actually bullish. So as you know, it's your favorite mentor, your one and only. Catch me in the next video. Subscribe. Boom.